XRP. Is it going to have a bigger crash further to the downside after such a monumental push? Or is there something bigger coming for XRP? Is it about to make a big pump to the upside? Hi, my name is Sam Price, the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about XRP. This is what everyone is asking. Long-term investors that have been holding for years, retail that just jumped in, new people that just grabbed some XRP. Maybe you bought the top and you're worried, man, I should sell. Maybe you bought down here and you're up huge. So many questions for so many traders. Let's find out and deep dive the answer here for XRP. The first thing we're going to look at is the bigger time frames. We're going to remove all our drawings and the moving averages, and we're going to take a look at XRP by itself on like the weekly or the 2-week chart. And we're going to kind of take a big look at what's happening to XRP here on the chart. Now, XRP coming in, ripping up, right? Having that beautiful rip at 189, back down, and then consolidating for a long period of time before getting a massive push to the upside. Right here, you're pretty high on the RSI on the 2-week chart. Okay, the last time you were even this high ever, I don't think it ever was, honestly. So this is a very extended place to be on the RSI. So off the bat, you have to say, man, and that's why I did sell publicly in front of everyone at about 275. I felt like that was kind of a local top for XRP, and so far that has been correct. We'll go from there, though. You know, and that may not be. We're gonna solve the answer to this question the best we can with highest probability. Now, a bit of bullish divergence there picked up by this indicator. I can't really see it, but hey, it means it may have been there. Now, you can see I would use the wicks here on the 2-week, and it does suggest that there could be some support there for XRP. 158, $2, right? We look at the weekly. Weekly too, there's that same support at about $2 for XRP, but you are very overbought on the indicators yet again, telling us that we're in the extended region. We're either going to consolidate or go more sideways. It is telling us it would be more unlikely for XRP to continue to pump, but it doesn't mean that it can't. We look at the 3-day chart, and the 3-day chart has a wick and a bullish candle. Like this candle starting to eat through the wick of the regular candle, and that tells me that this 3-day chart is ready for possibly some more. And so to figure out where this is going to go, we're going to have to kind of shrink down into smaller time frames here. But XRP, wow, I mean, that 3-day looks very bullish right now, to say the least. And then the daily is in a flag that clearly broke out. And so we go to the 8-hour, and that's a flag that clearly broke out. And so let's be honest here. I trade this all the time. Let's slap on our moving averages and take a look. So yeah, beautiful entry at 220 for XRP. And it says it's headed to 388. Now, after it gets to 388, we'll be in another extended region, and we're going to have to say, whoa, you know, is 275 going to be that bottom? And it's going to attempt to find its bottom. At one point, this will be the entire rippage. Does it come back to the 618? Or does it make this the next big extension here to the upside and come back down here for a bounce? But right now, we're going to take it for the next, 4, 5, 6 days. And it does tell me that XRP is likely going to 393. That's my target. That's what this chart tells me. And that's pretty dang accurate. Now, it could come up for a double top, make an M pattern and dump. Watch out for the double top for XRP. That may, that could get you. And then we would have to kind of probably come back down here to 150 again. As long as we break through this region and then start to flag or make a candle, the odds of getting to 393 are so high that it just start now. It's just obvious that it could happen, right? We got the stochastics turning. We got bearish div that I feel like has already kind of served its purpose, and the RSI could turn, and the MACD about to rock. We got falling volume with falling price telling us that we have lost the sellers on our way back to the upside. XRP is broken out of a falling wedge and looks like it's about to continue to go on a massive tear. I go in smaller time frames too to kind of see what's happening, and even there, just now in the last few hours, XRP was sitting beautifully in a wonderful flag here and is starting to rip out again. So XRP looks like the winner today. Unbelievably, it's starting to rip to the upside. I like what I'm seeing here for XRP. And then bigger picture, it looks like it's going to do something like this. Form a bit of a flag here, consolidate. So look for that bigger move. Hit 273, start to get tight again, and then boom, blast up to the upside for XRP. I do see 393 coming. I do see a continuation for the hottest coin in the game right now, XRP. Thank you for watching this XRP video. I wanted to bring you technical analysis on where I believe XRP could be going. I do a live stream every single day, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I also do 2 additional live streams in the mornings on Saturday and Sunday to keep you in tune with what's happening in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and the altcoins. My name is The Crypto Lifer. The channel is Crypto Lifer. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.